Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. If you want to become a web developer in 2026, this video can literally save you years of confusion. Most beginners waste time learning the wrong tools, outdated technologies, or random courses. In this video, I'll show you the exact web development roadmap for 2026, step by step, from absolute beginner to job-ready full-stack developer. No hype. No unnecessary tech. Just what actually works in 2026. If you're a student, freelancer, or someone looking to switch careers, watch this till the end. Before we dive in, let me explain the roadmap structure. We'll cover foundations, how the web works, front-end development, JavaScript mastery, front-end frameworks, back-end development, databases, full-stack skills, AI tools for developers, projects and portfolio, jobs, freelancing and future skills. Subscribe this channel. All courses will be uploaded in this channel. Don't skip steps. Step 1. How the web works. Before writing code, you must understand how the internet works. Learn how browsers work. What is HTTP/HTTPS? What is a domain and hosting? Client versus server. How a website loads. You don't need deep networking, just conceptual clarity. Backhand index pointing right. This step alone puts you ahead of 70% beginners. Step 2. HTML, structure of the web. HTML is essential. Even in 2026, HTML is the foundation. You have to learn semantic HTML, header, section, article, footer, forms and inputs, accessibility basics, SEO-friendly HTML structure, crossmark, don't memorize tags, white heavy checkmark, understand why onodal. HTML tells the browser what content exists. Step 3, CSS, design and responsive UI. CSS makes the web beautiful, and it is fun to learn for beginners. Focus on CSS box model, flexbox and grid, very important. Responsive design, media queries, animations and transitions. Also learn modern CSS practices, utility-first mindset, like Tailwind. In 2026, responsive design is mandatory, not optional. Step 4. JavaScript, the core skill. If HTML is the body and CSS is the style, JavaScript is the brain. You must master variables, functions, loops, DOM manipulation, events, ES6 plus features, async JavaScript, promises, async/await, fetch API, exclamation mark. JavaScript decides your salary, your job opportunities, your freelance success. Spend serious time here. Step 5. Front-end frameworks. In 2026, companies don't hire vanilla-only developers. Learn one main framework. React, must. Then Next.js, for production apps. Understand components, props and state, hooks, routing, API integration. Optional but powerful. TypeScript, huge demand. Backhand index pointing right. React plus TypeScript equals fire job combo. Step 6. Backend development. Now let's move to backend. Recommended stack for 2026. Node.js, Express.js or Fastify. You have to learn as well. REST APIs, authentication, JWT, authorization, middleware, file uploads, error handling. Backend teaches you real engineering thinking. Step 7. Databases. Every real app uses a database. You have to learn SQL, PostgreSQL or MySQL. NoSQL, MongoDB. Must understand CRUD operations, relationships, indexing, basic optimization. Backhand index pointing right. Don't try to master all databases. 1 SQL plus 1 NoSQL is enough. Step 8. Dev tools and Git. Professional developers use tools. Must learn tools. Git and GitHub. VS Code. Chrome DevTools. npm/pnpm. Environment variables. If you don't know Git, you're not job ready. Step 9. AI tools for developers. In 2026, AI will not replace developers. But developers who use AI will replace those who don't. Learn to use ChatGPT for debugging and learning. GitHub Copilot. AI UI generators. AI code review tools. Warning: use AI as an assistant, not a crutch. Step 10. Projects and portfolio. Projects matter more than certificates. Build personal portfolio website. CRUD app. Auth system. Full stack project. Real-world clone, dashboard, SaaS, e-commerce. Your portfolio should answer one question. Can this person build real applications? Step 11. Jobs, freelancing and career. Career paths in 2026. Front-end developer. Full-stack developer. Freelance web developer. Startup founder. You also have to learn resume optimization. LinkedIn and GitHub branding. Freelance platforms. Client communication. Lightbulb skills plus visibility equals opportunities. Future skills to stay relevant. To stay future-proof. System design basics. Performance optimization. Security awareness. Cloud basics. Continuous learning mindset. Technology changes, fundamentals don't. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these. Crossmark learning everything at once. Crossmark watching tutorials without practice. Crossmark skipping JavaScript. Crossmark copy-paste coding. Crossmark waiting for perfect time. Start now. Improve daily. If you follow this roadmap with discipline, you can become a web developer in 2026, regardless of your background. Comment roadmap if you want a downloadable version. Subscribe for full courses on HTML, CSS, JavaScript and full stack development. Your journey starts today. See you in the next video.